Daddy, are we going to car wash? Car wash first, then we can go home. This is the car wash. We're going to. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
I recently learned how to speak chicken. I can command
My mom showed me this.
inside by speaking their language. Watch this.
This man. Man had to talk. That's funny. Gotta wait
Just like that.
to the.
I commanded all the chickens to go
Why,
inside. Don't ask me how I figured that out, but I
Yes,
just
you
figured
did.
it out.
No
I
money, no
recently
money.
learned how to speak chicken. Yeah.
How's it go? Oh shoot. Today's Monday, ain't it?
It's
Military Monday.
What's that?
Military Monday.
It's Military Monday.
Yes, sir.
I don't need to see it.
Yeah.
I don't need to see it. It's an integrity thing. You say military, and I'll take you at your word.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Besides that, you got a USSA card. So it's kind of,
Okay.
you go, you get it.
I'll get that bonsai.
Got you, sir.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
no hitch.
No hitch.
I can't wait. Me too.
You said this conversation with another customer in front of your line. It's an integrity thing.
Roger that.
Mommy, are we going to car wash?
Civilians understand it, some do not.
Well, I'm gonna take it. You definitely understand it there.
Absolutely. There you go, sir.
Thank you, brother.
You take care.
Have a good day.
Enjoy the sunshine.
Go.
Let's go. Let's go car wash.
Well, they said that they said that does work. They said that's what the roosters make.
I can't wait. Me too.
Where's the roosters make?
That noise.
The
You
wave,
said you watched that video.
I
the
did. but I
wave
didn't know
car wash.
that the roosters make that noise.
The people who are commenting said that that's what the sound
The
of the rooster
wave
makes.
car wash.
Speak
You said
chicken.
that?
I can
The
command
wave car
all to
wash.
go inside by speaking their language. Watch this.
Okay, I didn't know that.
They all went inside.
I didn't know that boy roosters.
Just like that.
They said
I didn't know that. I just like roosters.
this person says her name is Becky. She says this always works with our chickens. The roosters would make this noise a lot when he spotted a hawk or just felt nervous about something. And somebody wrote, "You made the sound they make when they're scared and anxious. They look at you as one of them."
The Nancy tsunami tidal wave. I know. What's it going to be?
I'll show this to you.
Okay, what's it will be? Let's go. I can't wait to go in the car wash. Like Mr. Car Wash. What is that? What is that? What? Wow, that's so scary. What's that? Let's go be. Yay! What's going on?
Teabagging.
What's going on? I'm scared. Wow. It worked. What happened? How come it's off? Oh my gosh. Green. Wow. The colors. Wow. Blue. Red. Green. Blue. Red. Wow. The colors amazing. Wow. It's clean up. Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Wow. What's going on? Oh, they haven't stopped. So wait. It's when? Okay. Let's go. Yeah.
But it's a beast.
Wow, you can
It's
see
so
the
heavy that
Hi.
one person could pull it. But
Green means go. We made it. Woohoo. Wow. The wave car wash.
put that, their chicken tractor, I'm gonna put it in the shade area.
Alright. Hold still.
It's hot today.
Bye-bye.